You can see in this picture here we have the smooth end of a 90-degree round adjustable duct. That was supposed to go into the trunk of the ductwork that we were working on, but we did it backwards and didn't realize it until after it was all screwed in and practically taped up. So if you want to get yourself out of a jam like we needed to do in this one, and rather than take everything apart and flip it around, we'll show you a real easy way to crimp a duct. You can do it yourself and save a bunch of money in the process. We'll show you two different ways of doing this. One is taking the claw of the hammer, giving it a 90-degree turn, and walking it around the smooth end of that ductwork. And this could be done on flat ductwork or round. And it works real easy, real quick, and it provides you the necessary crimping to go ahead and slip another end on there in the correct direction of airflow. Or you could take a set of needle nose pliers and do the very same thing. Either method works, and it gets you out of a jam real quick, and this provides you a super easy way to slide on the next piece to your already crimped ductwork. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.